Again, yes, surf is up, but there's a surf advisory, which means there's also some danger about getting in the water, so you want to be careful with that. Rip is going to be huge as well. Morro Bay, our Surfline camera out there capturing some of the unsettled weather. You can see some of the white caps going on here, and especially the further out you go. So yeah, this weather system is now just settling into the area. Let's talk a little bit about what it did to the temperatures. Again, brought it down close to 30 degrees in some spots. In Santa Maria, 65. That's kind of a somewhat common number you're going to see this time of year. But keep in mind, yesterday, San Luis Obispo was in the low 90s for a daytime high. We didn't make it to 70 degrees today, so a huge shift downward. Temperatures currently are in the mid to upper 50s and low 60s on the south coast, and the winds are 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained with higher gusts. Some of those gusts are in the 40-mile-per-hour range. You can see the pinwheeling low right in here and a few scattered showers. Again, the low is still dropping into the area, and there's plenty of jet stream energy that will also push into the area as well. So in this, we're going to see a lot of impulses of energy move through the area. That energy gets into the water. That energy picks up small particulate matter, blows it all over the place. So we have an air quality warning tonight. We have the wind advisory. This advisory goes until 9, then it'll fade. The winds will fade, but I think the winds come up several times. On Saturday, yes, but Sunday afternoon looks fairly big. I would anticipate more advisories. Advisory for Santa Barbara County, that wind advisory goes until midnight. We have the breaking waves of 12 to 16 feet for the central coast and 5 to 8 feet for the south coast. Both of those are prompting high surf advisories into Monday. Also at high elevations, it's snow. So we've got a winter weather advisory until Sunday night. Could pick up a few inches once we get above 5,000 feet. That's really not a huge problem in Santa Barbara County mountains, but once you get into the Grapevine area, that could potentially slow travel because it'll be at pass level. Again, looking at the modeling, some showers will start as well as we get into tonight, into early tomorrow. That activity currently is up by the Bay Area, but it does look to get more robust as we get into Saturday, especially early Saturday morning. Now, I think it'll wane a bit in the afternoon, but the winds are back up 15 to 30 miles per hour. Sunday morning, a few hit and miss showers here and there, but again, the winds on Sunday afternoon have that 30-mile-per-hour potential. Then Monday, the winds push offshore to start trying to warm the daytimes up. My concern is that the overnight lows could be freezing in the interior. I'm sticking with my forecast of 1/10 of an inch to a 1/2 inch of rain. So here's a look at the system, the larger piece of it. It's all sitting here in this big upper-level trough, so pieces of energy rotate around it, and until it kicks out, we don't get out of this thing until Sunday. And then we have to watch more impulses as we get into next week. I think most of the rain stays to the north. We could see a little bit, but cool, breezy, and just mildly unsettled is my long-range outlook. Upper 50s and low 60s for the Central Coast tomorrow and low 60s in Santa Barbara County. Again, to keep in mind, it's rain early, then on and off light showers. Might even see a little bit of sunshine, but blustery and cool. Overnight lows tonight will be in the 40s to about 50 for much of the area, except for the deeper interior valleys where some upper 30s might sneak in as well. And keep in mind, the higher you go, you get that snow level, which is dropping down to about 4,000 feet. Extended forecast has no 70s on it. Yes, we ultimately warm back up into the upper 60s in a few spots, but a few places are going to be struggling to reach 60 in the extended forecast.